Hello, Internet. This is James with another stock update on Bed Bath and Beyond, BBBY. Are they really going out of business? I mean, for realsies. 2 days ago, they just raised $360 million, says Barron's, in an equity. Uh, I guess they sold some more stock, which means they have $360 million. That's a lot. Let's see how it compares with where they were at today. $1.34 a share. Let's reanalyze the situation. They have 360 stores left. Hypothetically speaking, let's just say they close everything that doesn't make a shit ton of money. If that number is 360 and they're at the right number right now, then we should see some positive news. I believe they said they made money last month. So maybe there was a little bit of positive news. Maybe the stores individually made money. If they need to get down to the best 200 stores or the best 150 stores, whatever they need to do, and have some cash on hand, close these stores, uh, use the money that they have to fight off the closings, the leases, the lawsuits. God, I don't know how much they're going to be in for. Um, it looks like they survived the day. That's why you're seeing a 1 day up of 9% today. Probably saw it jump up yesterday. No, seeing it come down. Yeah, maybe that was yesterday. Went up to $1.21 today. Oh, here's yesterday. $1.26. Actually, it was higher before the news. They're still screwing with this one on Reddit. Maybe the Reddit people are the ones who bought these equities. They just said, "Oh, okay, you got another offering? Well, we'll take some of that." And maybe they're taking advantage of the Reddit short squeeze that's going on. Everybody's gangbusters buying the stock to try to force the shorts out. And the shorts have to finally buy, launching it upwards. I don't know if they ever get out on the pump and dump. I just know that they're trying to get it to launch upwards. When they did it to GameStop, it seems like they all lost, but I'm sure there was some winners in there. One guy turned into he ended up with $50 million of GameStop, and he lost every penny of it. How can you not hit the sell button at some point? I'll never know. But funny video. Bed Bath and Beyond, $360 million. Picture it now with 200 great stores, maybe located with the inventory of 600 stores, which means they won't need to buy crap for a while. Can they actually make some money for 6 months? Can they actually put it on their balance sheet where we can see a profit out of this place? This goes back to November. We're going to take a little closer look at the next video of their February numbers. They seem to announce, every 3 months here. But there might be monthly numbers also, December, January, February. Yeah, they should be up to earnings season right about now. So maybe any day now we should get some results. But they said February was good. Things were actually positive in the stores. Maybe those 360 stores actually make money. Maybe they went through the chart this time and said, okay, goodbye, all stores that lose money. We're going to keep stores that make money. And if they succeeded in doing that, then they have stores that make money. We should see the balance sheet straighten out quickly. And it might be this quarter. Maybe this company is savable in some small form. They certainly got the cash. If they can, apparently a lot of this debt that you see down here on the balance sheet is higher than their assets. It's $4.4 billion. Can a company with 100 stores, 200 stores, 300 stores, can that pay off the debt of a 1,000-store company? Probably not. That's probably the end of them. A lot of people say it's not going to make it through the year. I don't know. if they already made this debt, I guess it's servicing it. And servicing debt like that, they said a lot of it's at 12% interest, which would be exorbitant. And that would obviously destroy the gains made by the 200 store chain. So a bankruptcy, a reorganization, and keeping a couple hundred stores open, and probably killing the stockholder. I don't know if he goes down in that process with the bankruptcy. Probably. But not if you own Class A stock. Just kidding. I don't know. I might not be kidding. Maybe that is real. But will you lose all your money? I don't know. I don't know. Check out February. See what you think. Can they pay off this much money in the long run on such a small company? Even if those small company succeeds, can they pay off the debt of a big company? I think in short, the answer is no. If they can reorganize this somehow and keep us stockholders afloat, that would be neat. I like the way the Reddit people joined together, pooled forces, and got this company some more revenue so they can continue the madness. So now 150 million, maybe that's up another $360 million. So maybe they got $500 million now. And they're only 4.40 billion in debt, or I'm sorry, 5.20 billion in liabilities. Will closing these stores get rid of liabilities? Well, let's check the annual chart and see how they've done getting rid of liabilities over time. 2018, business was probably okay. COVID hit. Looks like increase in assets. They're still right side up. And they're even for 2022. They're upside down as of last quarter. I'd say that no. I'd say they started closing stores in this time range. It did lower it a little bit, and they lowered their liabilities from 6-something billion down to almost 5 billion. So yeah, they took it down a little bit, but not like you would like to see. They closed almost 600 and something stores already, and that didn't kill off the liability in a very meaningful way. So I would say it's safe to say that closing stores isn't helping the situation. It's getting the bad meat off the books, but it's not getting rid of the liabilities. And that's what they're not going to be able to pay in the long run unless they can restructure that. At today's interest rates, good luck. They could go get a 30-year fixed for 3% or something, then maybe we can talk. But yeah, hundreds of stores isn't going to be enough to handle the debt of 1,000 stores. I think that's the final picture. It'd be really neat if they could figure out a way to do it, but I think with that debt, the bankruptcy is inevitable. They're going to want their money, and they are not going to be able to get it unless they do more offerings and the Reddit community stays behind it and continues to buy more and more shares of this. I don't know. Well, we could play stupid games, win stupid prizes. We can do this for a while. But $1.34 today. It's a penny stock. Hope you're having fun with it. And 57% short position still exists on this thing. These people already feel like they've been squeezed up to $1.34. They're trying to get out at 20 cents, and they just can't, I guess. And maybe they're, I don't know. I don't know why they don't close their short position, but maybe they will eventually. It's not like they can't right now. Don't you have to have a stock $2 before you can short it? So they would have had to have shorted it before them, which would put them in a winning position right now. Leave your comments below. Is that rule still intact? I'm an old-time trader. We used to not be able to short things unless they were $2. Can you short this today? That's my question. Somebody leave me an answer in the comments if you don't mind. Thank you very much. Have a great night. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. We'll keep up some coverage. Next Bed Bath & Beyond video will be about February and January. Anything we can get. Thank you. Have a good night.